welcome back to our channel thetropiopia.com. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the lost tribes of Israel and their true identity. We'll explore historical accounts, scriptural evidence, and cultural ties that reveal who the real descendants of the Israelites are. The concept of the lost tribes of Israel originates from biblical accounts. These tribes were scattered across the globe due to various conquests and exiles. Throughout history, many have speculated about the whereabouts of these tribes. From the Assyrian exile to the transatlantic slave trade, significant events have dispersed these tribes worldwide. The Bible mentions that God's chosen people would face numerous trials and tribulations. Verses like Deuteronomy 7 verse 6 and Matthew 15 verse 24 highlight the special status and challenges of the Israelites. There is compelling evidence suggesting that the lost tribes include people of African, Hispanic, and Native American descent. Historical records and cultural practices align with biblical prophecies. Today, many communities in Africa, the Americas, and beyond claim descent from the lost tribes. Their customs, languages, and spiritual beliefs reflect their ancient heritage. For instance, the Igbo people of Nigeria and certain Haitian communities maintain traditions and stories that trace back to Israelite origins. The curses listed in Deuteronomy 28 verses 15 to 68 are seen by many as identifying markers. These afflictions uniquely match the historical experiences of blacks, Hispanics, and Native Indians. Racial disparities in wealth, incarceration, and health are modern manifestations of these ancient curses. These systemic issues continue to affect the descendants of the lost tribes. Our traditions have been passed down for generations, linking us to our Israelite ancestors. We see ourselves as part of the biblical narrative, and our history confirms it. There is significant historical and linguistic evidence supporting the connection between certain African and Native American groups and the lost tribes. These communities have preserved cultural practices that align closely with ancient Israelite traditions. Globally, there is a growing movement to recognize and reconnect these communities with their Israelite roots, fostering cultural exchange and mutual understanding. In conclusion, the lost tribes of Israel have a rich, albeit tumultuous, history. By understanding their journey, we can appreciate the resilience and heritage of these communities. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the truths of our world.